So what he's saying is that you can insert a flash drive and all the logo will appear here, and whatever logo you want to print out, you can just tap and it begins to print from here on any cloth that you guys want. Amazing, guys. This is happening in Nigeria, not in China, not in Turkey. Let's go upstairs.
The era of importing clothes and shoes from China is ending, with Igbo entrepreneurs in Aba, Abia State leading the charge. This factory in Aba is revolutionizing the industry.
And what would you say is the capacity that you guys have? How many cloth can you guys deliver in a week?
We do like 4,000
A week. That's the capacity of this factory.
different products. We do a lot of things. We do a lot of things. We do shirts to school uniforms, skirts, trousers, jackets, sportswear, joggers, shirts. We do a lot of things.
Now, with what I'm seeing here, what would you say to people taking out their production to China and Turkey? Do you think they should still continue, or should they bring it to Aba?
No, they should bring it to Aba. Aba is the place, and Beyond Clothing is the hub.
In today's video, I'm taking you inside a game-changing factory right here in Aba, Abia State, Nigeria. One that's set to rival China in clothing manufacturing. You don't want to miss this, so be sure to watch till the end. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Our goal for 2025 is to hit 100,000 subscribers, and with your support we can make that happen. Thank you so much, and now let's dive right into the video. Aba is one of the biggest manufacturing hubs in Nigeria, a place where almost anything can be made. And right here, in the heart of the industrial powerhouse, is Beyond Clothing, one of the largest clothing manufacturers in the country. In today's video, I'm taking you inside this factory for an exclusive tour to see what really goes on behind the scenes. So stay tuned to the end because you would not want to miss this.
Guys, all what I'm about to show you guys, in fact, all these shirts you are seeing, right, are all ready to wear shirts made in Nigeria. Let me show you guys. All of these are made from the scratch, okay, from the threading up until this final product that you are seeing here, and they are all made in this factory. All of what you see, right, including this particular knicker right here, okay, and of course you have all of this, all these shirts. Guys, this is not made in China. This is not made in Turkey. This is made in Nigeria. Come, let me show you. Are you seeing this particular ready to wear? This shirt and this combat trouser right here are all made here in Nigeria. And I'm going to be showing you guys the factory where I'm standing right now that produces all of this. I'm going to be showing you behind the scene where all of this, where I'm currently at. This is Beyond Clothing. Beyond Clothing is a Nigerian brand established in Aba here in eastern Nigeria. Okay. Now, Beyond Clothing establishes particular brand to produce ready-to-wear outfits, from shirts to trousers to whatnot. All right. And I'm going to be showing you guys that whatever you are going to China to buy, whatever you are going to Turkey to buy, you can actually have it produced for you in the best quality, in large quantity, right here in Nigeria. So stay locked in the channel, do not go anywhere. All right, guys, come in. Let me show you this amazing factory. What is happening inside? This is happening in Aba, right? Come in, guys. So this is one section of the factory, and over here you have like the printing section, okay, where you print like the designs on the cloth. Okay, this is what is this huge machine is actually printing a design right now that will be going on the cloth, right? On the fabrics that they will be designing. Are you seeing what it looks like? It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. And these machines can actually print out hundreds of designs at a time. And over here you have like the cutting section. So you can cut multiple fabrics at the same time over here. Let me show you guys what is happening at the edge over here. Over at this side is where you have like the heating section. Now, what I showed you, which is the design and the printing, the printing area, when that is done, over here, this heating section, you actually press the designs into the fabric and you are able to get unique designs. Okay, you press it into the fabric. Now, inside this building, there's also a design area where people can, I mean, where you there's a different team actually creating these designs that is imprinted on the fabric. All right, so can you tell us what is happening here?
I do normally do designs here. Any branding of design you need, can do it here.
Any branding of design?
Yeah, this is market square work we are doing.
You call it monogramming. What is monogramming?
Program is like something like embroidering, something like scripting logos or any write up in a clothes.
In a cloth.
Yeah.
So would you say something like this?
Yeah, something like this also.
Okay.
Look at the one of it.
Oh, okay, okay. This is an example.
An example here.
Okay, guys, can you see this?
Market square.
This is Market Square. This is for a company. You guys are producing for a company.
Yes.
Their company shirts. So this what he's doing right now on this machine. You can see it behind here. Here for you. The write up, the inscription. Look at it. Let me see this one. Okay, this is for another business. You can see them, they are producing cloth in large quantity. Now, this is the funny thing is that you guys, do you just do this branding or do you create this cloth from scratch, from the fabric itself, from the thread?
Yes, we create the cloth from the fabric itself. Normally, we have tailors that sew it upstairs.
Okay.
Then our own job is to just inscribe these logos on them.
On them. That's your
Yes.
own section here.
Yes.
Okay. I want us to go upstairs. Let's go and see the tailors that makes this cloth from the scratch. Stay locked on the channel. Do not go anywhere. All right, guys. So we are inside the production hall right now. Good afternoon, ma. So what is the name of this section that we have here?
This is the production hall.
The production hall.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we want to do now is I want us to just walk around. Let's just see what some of your staffs are working on and what the names of the machines are. Is that fine?
Okay, yeah, that's okay.
All right, let's go. So this particular machine right now, what is it working on and what's the name of this machine?
It's a hemming machine.
Okay.
We use it to hem like the tips of the trousers and shorts.
Okay, okay, that's good. All right, so let's check out. I think there's one I found interesting. Let's walk down. Let's see. Let me see. Let me see. Guys, they are doing a lot of amazing stuff here. Okay, let me check out this one. My brother, no vessel. Well
Normal
done.
sewing machine.
A normal sewing machine.
Okay, this. Let's check out this one.
Okay.
This one is used to fold the down of like to hem shirts.
Okay, okay.
Okay, that's what this one is used for.
So it seems you guys have a project that all of you are working on. You are working on delivering right now, right?
Yes, we do.
And what would you say is the capacity that you guys have? How many cloth can you guys deliver in a week?
We do like 4,000
A week. That's the capacity of this factory.
different products.
Are
We
you
do a lot
serious?
of things. We do a lot of things. We do shirt to school uniforms, skirts, trousers, jackets, sportswear, joggers, shirts. We do a lot of things.
Now, with what I'm seeing here, what would you say to people taking out their production to China and Turkey? Do you think they should still continue or should they bring it to Aba?
No, they should bring it to Aba. Aba is the place, and Beyond Clothing is the hub
Is the
for
hub.
making clothes. Yeah.
Why should they bring it to Beyond Clothing?
Because we even make better things than China do,
Okay.
and it's also improving our economy.
Yeah.
Like taking our money out instead of exporting. We should be instead of importing. We should be exporting.
Exporting.
Yeah.
Guys, you've heard it from her, right? Let all our production be done in-house in Nigeria. No need to take it to China. No need to take it to Turkey, right? This is not China. This is not Turkey. This is Nigeria. Aba precisely. Beyond Clothing is where you need to bring your productions to. All right?
This factory has truly blown me away. It's a testament to the incredible potential of Nigerians, especially the Igbo people, who are remarkable wealth creators. With the right government support, there's no limit to what they can achieve. What do you guys think? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. That's it for today, guys. Until next time, stay safe and peace.